All right, next let's talk about shipping. So up here, I'll click on shipping. Now the first thing that we need to do is add a shipping zone. So right here, I'll click on add shipping zone. Let's first give our first zone a name. So this is gonna be United States. Now the next option is zone regions. Now I wish they didn't put this, but this actually means everywhere based off your shipping zones. So for example, I am shipping to United States and Canada. So by default, it will ship to everywhere in those areas. If you only want to ship to specific regions, you can go ahead and select those regions here. For example, if you want to ship to only Alaska, Arizona, and Arkansas, you can do that. But since I am shipping to all of the places in the United States and Canada, I'm going to leave everywhere standard. The next option is shipping methods. So here, I'll click on add a shipping method. Now here we have free shipping. So first, I'll click on free shipping and click on continue. Now free shipping requires what? Well, right here, we have a few options. No requirements, a valid free shipping coupon, a minimum order amount, or you can select a minimum order and a coupon or. So either or they must have both. I'm gonna select a minimum order amount, and this must meet about $100. So if the customer spends $100 on our store, they will automatically get free shipping. Here, I'll click on create and save. Pretty simple, right? Okay, let's do another one. Here, I'll click on add shipping method. Next, we'll go ahead and select the second option, which is flat rates. Here, I'll click on continue. So what is the flat rate for shipping, right? Well, I'm gonna go ahead and put something like maybe $5, all right? So $5 is going to be our default flat rate for shipping on our store. Here, I'll go ahead and click on create and save. Now let's select the last one. Add shipping method, local pickup. Here, I'll click on continue. And obviously this probably will be free. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 0. You can always put like a, like a pickup fee or something like that if you wanna go that route. Also for tax status, this is not gonna be taxable. So here, I'll click on create and save. Now here we have 3 options. Free shipping if they spend $100, flat rates, and the flat rate is $5. And then here we have local pickup, okay? Now many of you probably are thinking, wait a minute, I have a lot of different products, so I need to charge a different shipping price for each individual product. This is gonna be called shipping classes. So let's go ahead and talk about that next. So let me help you understand this. Let's go to our product page. Now over here, you're gonna see that we have 3 products. Now here, this shirt probably doesn't cost much for shipping. However, if you have something like a refrigerator, or if you have really big shoes, then you might have to charge a different shipping rate because this product might be larger, it might be heavier, there could be a whole bunch of reasons. So let me show you how to charge a shipping rate for each individual item. Let's go over here to WooCommerce, and now we're going to introduce you all to shipping classes. So here, I'll click on add shipping class. And for this class, we'll just go ahead and put heavy, right? And then heavy packages, okay. Sorry if I type wrong. I can see the keyboard. I'm not illiterate. I have a microphone.